and welcome back to another polymer clay tutorial video. My name is Faye and I make polymer clay earrings. Oh, I'm not wearing any. I make polymer clay earrings. My Etsy page is down below. And today we're going to talk about the top 4 things to buy before making your first pair of polymer clay earrings. The first thing you'll want to buy is obviously polymer clay. As most of you probably already know, you'll want to stay away from Sculpey 3. It's sticky, it's not going to hold its shape very well, and it's just not made for making jewelry. I use Sculpey Primo, Souffle, and Accents, and those all work for me. They have a smooth finish, they hold their shape, and they work really well with whatever colors you choose to buy. The next thing you'll want to buy is findings. And by that, I mean all the metal pieces you're going to use to put your earrings together and be able to wear them. The first thing you're going to want to decide is if you're going to make studs or dangly earrings. But when you're looking, I highly recommend looking for stainless steel earrings. I'll link down below the ones I use. But the great thing about stainless steel is that it's affordable, it's considered hypoallergenic, and it's not going to turn green. You'll also want to buy some jump rings. There's many different sizes of jump rings. If you don't know what to buy, get a variety pack with multiple sizes or 7mm. That's the first one I ever bought and it worked for me. The next tools you're going to want to buy are these guys. These help you open and close your jump rings. I guess you could use some tweezers, but depending on the kind of jump ring you buy, some are more flexible than others. These are going to be a huge time savers for your fingers and your eyeballs. Lastly, you're going to want to buy some cutters. You can find cutters in the local craft store in the polymer clay section, or you can shop online at Etsy and support other small businesses. I'll link down below my favorite Etsy page where I buy most of my cutters, and they're pretty affordable and I think they work pretty well. So let's make our first pair of earrings. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is condition your clay. And the reason a roller isn't on the list is because the whole first month I made earrings, I used an Expo marker, so. Once you've got it rolled out to about a 1/4 inch thickness, you'll want to use your cutters and cut 2 shapes and peel off the excess. Then you'll use either a toothpick or a needle and cut 2 little holes for your jump rings. Bake according to your package's instructions. Then you'll use your tools to open up your jump rings. Put it through the little hole. This is a pair that I had made earlier this week. Add a second jump ring to attach the ear wire. Oh, look at it go. Just like this. And then it's ready to wear. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave my Instagram right here, my Etsy page down below. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe, and leave any questions down below. Thanks. See you next time. Bye.